Welcome to TrueHost Academy. Today we're diving into the essentials of editing your WordPress theme. If you're eager to transform your website's look and functionality, you're in the right place. Choosing the perfect WordPress theme is just the beginning. To truly align your site with your brand, you'll need to know how to customize and edit it effectively. Let's explore why editing your WordPress theme is crucial. Here are some reasons why you should consider editing your WordPress theme. 1. Stand out from the competition. Editing your theme helps create a unique website highlighting your brand style, colors, typography, logos, and more. 2. Improve user experience. A customized theme can improve navigation and overall user satisfaction, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. 3. Improve readability and accessibility. Adjusting fonts, colors, and layouts ensures your content is easy to read and accessible to all users. 4. Optimize for all devices custom themes. Guarantee your site looks great on desktops, smartphones, and tablets. And 5. Modernize your graphics. Stay current with design trends by updating your site's appearance without a complete overhaul. Now, let's examine how to edit your WordPress theme. The easiest and safest method is to use the Theme Customizer. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Open the Customizer from your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Appearance and select Customize. This will open the Theme Customizer. Step 2. Explore the Customizer interface. You'll see a live preview of your site on the right and customization options on the left. Step 3. Adjust settings in the Customizer. You'll see various sections like site identity, colors, and menus. Let's start with the site identity section where you can adjust your site's title, tagline, and logo. Next, head over to colors if you want to change your theme's color scheme. Here you can adjust background colors, text colors, and more. Each theme will have different customization options, so explore and see what fits your needs. If you want to add or modify widgets, go to the widget section. You can drag and drop widgets into different areas of your site, like the sidebar or footer. For more advanced edits, add custom CSS. In the Customizer, look for the additional CSS section. Here you can write your own CSS to tweak the design further. Step 4. Preview changes in real time. Use the live preview to see changes before saving them. 5. Save and publish. Click Save and Publish to make changes live, or Save Draft if you're not ready yet. Before you dive in, here are some essential tips for editing your WordPress theme. 1. Always back up your website. Ensure you have a backup before making any changes. 2. Avoid code editing if possible. Stick to user-friendly tools to prevent breaking your site. 3. Use a staging site. Test changes on a staging site to avoid impacting your live site. 4. Ensure a responsive design. Make sure your site looks great on all devices. 5. Implement version control. Use plugins like WP Rollback to manage and revert changes. With these steps and tips, you're ready to make your WordPress theme truly yours. Transform your website into a standout, user-friendly, and engaging platform. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.